QuadQuiz!
Brought to you by Math with Sir Lester. There are 3 questions for this video, and you are to answer them in 15 seconds each. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Refer to this given. What are the correct coefficients of the given equation? And the correct answer is A equals 1, B equals -6, and C is 0. Next question. What is the value of the discriminant? The correct answer is 36. Last question. What can you say about the behavior or the types of roots? For this given, the roots are real and unequal. Did you get 3 over 3? If not, please continue viewing this video. Here, the A coefficient is your coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Your B coefficient is the coefficient of your middle term, but specifically here, it's the coefficient of the term with x. It's not 6, but it's -6. And since there's no constant, your C here is computed as 0. These are your correct coefficients for this given quadratic equation in standard form. Now, we could use the discriminant, and that discriminant will tell us later what the nature or the types of roots that we have for this given quadratic equation. The discriminant is computed as the formula b squared minus 4 times a times c. And simply input all the values here, and whatever be the result, there is an explanation as to what type of roots are there. So let's try to substitute. We'll have -6. You take the square of it, minus 4, minus times 1, and times 0 for your c. And since this is 0, you can cancel all of that. So you will have a result of -6 squared, or 36. This is now the value for your discriminant. Next is to determine the types or the nature of roots. Now there are 3 different considerations for the discriminant. It's either the discriminant is greater than 0, the discriminant might be equal to 0, or the discriminant might be less than and 0. And there are specific interpretations to that. But let's just focus on this result. 36 is the value of our discriminant, and it's greater than 0. And for that, if your discriminant or the value of your discriminant is greater than 0, then your roots for this quadratic equation are both real numbers. They are both real. However, they are unequal. So these are the nature or the behavior of the roots for this given quadratic equation: real and unequal. That is because your discriminant is greater than 0. These are the explanations to your answers for this
QuadQuiz!
Subscribe now